région et plus de la moitié de la richesse de la région. 56% du PIB de l'Afrique de l'Ouest, c'est seulement le Nigeria. Ça veut dire que si le Nigeria a des intérêts différents des intérêts des autres pays, il est extrêmement difficile pour l'Afrique de l'Ouest de venir avec une position commune et concertée. Alors ça, c'est le premier problème. Je disais que l'Union européenne a près de 60% de commerce intra-régional, ce qui est très important. L'Afrique de l'Ouest a moins de 15% de commerce intra-régional. Ça veut dire que l'Afrique de l'Ouest a un commerce totalement extraverti. Seulement 15% et même moins du commerce de l'Afrique de l'Ouest se fait avec les autres pays de la région. Tout le reste se fait avec les autres pays extérieurs. So I was saying that when we come to the regional integration, the trade within the countries in the region, we are in about 15% of the intra-regional trade. While in Europe, we have it at more than 60%. You can see what also are the differences on the two regions. So when you have this kind of picture, and when you come at the negotiation process, when EU proposed or imposed the economic partnership agreement, we knew two things. The first was to say, okay, we know that the trade regime between EU and the ACP countries is now WTO incompatible. We have to make sure that the trade regime now is in line with the global regulations, with WTO rules. But in the same time, we knew that we cannot have a free trade with EU without having something which can support and help for the development. While EU was asking for a free trade, only free trade, most of the ACP region, and in West Africa it was quite clear. It was a strong demand from populations, but it was also demand from most of the leaders in the African continent, in West Africa. And you remember probably the position raised by the former president of Senegal when he was saying, I will never sign this kind of EPA because I cannot come to my country, to my people, and say to them that I have signed an agreement, and from tomorrow I will not be able as president to invest on schools, to invest on health system, and to